Best RC Airplanes. Are you looking for the best RC airplanes? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best RC airplanes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Top Race 3-Channel RC Plane. Take your love for flying to new heights with the Top Race Remote Control Airplane 3-Channel Blue Edition. Designed for beginners and hobbyists alike, this RC plane combines durability, performance, and ease of use, making it a fantastic choice for kids aged 8+ and adults who want to experience the thrill of flight. Whether as a holiday surprise, an Easter gift, or a fun outdoor activity, this airplane guarantees hours of entertainment. Built with lightweight yet sturdy materials, the plane withstands minor crashes, ensuring long-lasting enjoyment. Its 3-channel remote control system allows for smooth maneuvering up, down, left, and right, giving pilots full control in the air. Equipped with a propeller saver feature, it helps protect the motor and extend the plane's lifespan, perfect for beginners who are still learning to land. The included rechargeable battery provides ample flight time, while the easy-to-handle transmitter makes operation intuitive, even for first-time flyers. Simply charge, connect, and launch your plane into the sky for an exciting adventure. Its vibrant blue design not only looks sleek but also makes it easy to spot during outdoor flights. Whether you're searching for a thoughtful gift or an engaging hobby, the Top Race RC plane delivers excitement and confidence with every takeoff. Get ready to soar and create unforgettable flying experiences with this user-friendly and durable electric airplane. Number 2. FMS Remote Control Airplane F4U Corsair. FMS RC Planes for Adults Remote Control Airplane P-51 Mustang Redtail RC Airplane 6CH 1700mm, 66.9-inch, wingspan with flaps LED retracts PNP, no radio, battery, charger, Warbird. Experience the thrill of flying a legendary Warbird with the FMS P-51 Mustang Redtail RC Airplane. This stunning 1700mm, 66.9-inch, wingspan replica captures the spirit of the iconic World War II fighter, designed with scale realism and advanced performance features for adult RC enthusiasts. Perfect for experienced pilots, this 6-channel Warbird combines cutting-edge engineering with breathtaking detail. The P-51D comes equipped with functional flaps, electric retractable landing gear, and LED navigation lights, offering both realism and improved handling in the skies. Its durable construction ensures strength without sacrificing lightweight performance, while the large wingspan delivers stable, smooth flight even in more challenging conditions. With a plug-and-play PNP configuration, this model includes the airframe, motor, ESC, servos, and retracts already installed. Simply add your preferred radio system, battery, and charger, not included, to customize your flying experience. Designed for advanced hobbyists, the Mustang's precise control system and scale performance make it an exciting choice for aerobatics, realistic warbird maneuvers, and high-speed passes. The red tail design pays tribute to the legendary Tuskegee Airmen, making this RC plane not only a joy to fly but also a meaningful addition to any collection. Its powerful brushless motor ensures thrilling performance, while the attention to detail, panel lines, cockpit design, and authentic markings enhances its realism. For RC pilots seeking a balance of scale appearance, advanced features, and powerful flight capabilities, the FMS P-51D Mustang 1700mm delivers an unmatched Warbird experience. Number 3. Hawkswork 2CH Remote Control Airplane. Take flight with the Hawkswork 2CH RC Airplane F-22 ready-to-fly jet, an excellent choice for kids, beginners, and aviation enthusiasts looking for an easy and fun flying experience. Designed with simplicity and durability in mind, this lightweight RC glider makes learning to fly smooth and stress-free. Equipped with a 2-channel 2.4 GHz remote control system, the plane allows responsive, interference-free operation, so multiple users can fly together without signal disruption. Its streamlined F-22 fighter jet design not only looks impressive but also enhances stability and control in the air. Beginners will appreciate its easy-to-fly features, making takeoff, turns, and gentle landings more accessible. The aircraft is built with durable EPP foam material, resistant to minor crashes and impacts, ensuring long-lasting performance even for first-time pilots. Its ready-to-fly setup means everything you need is included in the box. Just charge, assemble quickly, and you're ready to launch. The efficient motor and glider-style wings deliver a smooth flight with extended air time, perfect for practicing skills or enjoying casual outdoor fun. With its user-friendly design, the Hawkswork F-22 RC plane makes a thoughtful gift for kids, teens, or anyone interested in RC aviation. Whether used for weekend fun at the park or as a first step into the RC flying hobby, this model provides excitement and confidence with every flight. Enjoy the thrill of piloting your very own fighter jet with this easy-to-control, beginner-friendly RC airplane. Number 4. Volantexrc RC Airplane. Discover the joy of flight with the Volantexrc RC Sport Cub RC Plane Trainer, a versatile and beginner-friendly aircraft designed for kids, adults, and hobbyists. With a 500mm wingspan and vibrant red design, this 4-channel remote control airplane delivers a perfect balance of stability, durability, and fun. Equipped with a 6-axis gyro stabilizer, the Sport Cub ensures smoother and more stable flights, making it an excellent choice for beginners learning to fly. Its 3 selectable flight modes, beginner, intermediate, and expert, allow you to progress at your own pace, building confidence and skill as you advance. Whether you're just starting out or already experienced, this plane adapts to your needs. The durable EPP foam construction and built-in propeller saver technology protect the motor and propeller from damage during rough landings, ensuring long-lasting performance. Its lightweight design combined with efficient power makes it easy to launch, control, and maneuver in open outdoor spaces like parks and fields. This ready-to-fly (RTF) package includes everything you need to get airborne quickly. Just charge the battery, connect, and start flying. The reliable 2.4 GHz radio control system ensures strong, interference-free signals, so you can enjoy flying with friends without worry. Perfect as a gift for kids, teens, or adults, the Volantexrc RC Sport Cub RC Plane Trainer is an exciting and educational way to experience aviation. With its smart design and user-friendly controls, every flight feels rewarding and fun. Number 5. iHobby Remote Control Airplane. Take to the skies with this remote control airplane, a beginner-friendly RC plane designed for kids, teens, and first-time pilots. Featuring a 2.4 GHz 2-channel remote control system, this ready-to-fly aircraft provides smooth, interference-free operations so multiple planes can be flown together without signal disruption. Whether you're flying in the backyard, park, or open field, this RC plane delivers hours of outdoor fun. Built with a 3-axis gyroscope stabilization system, the plane maintains excellent balance and stability in the air, making it easier for beginners to control. Simple 2-channel controls allow you to navigate up, down, left, and right with ease, giving new pilots confidence from their very first flight. Constructed from lightweight yet durable EPP styrofoam material, this RC aircraft can withstand minor crashes and bumps, ensuring longer-lasting performance. Its streamlined design allows for smooth gliding and steady flight, while the efficient motor provides enough power for exciting takeoffs and controlled landings. The package comes ready to fly, RTF, meaning you can start flying right out of the box after a quick battery charge. The 2.4 GHz transmitter ensures reliable connection and precise control, making it ideal for beginners learning the basics of RC aviation. Perfect as a gift for kids, boys, and girls, this RC airplane offers a fun and educational introduction to remote control flying. With its easy-to-use controls and durable design, it's the ultimate choice for young aviators ready to experience the excitement of flight.